Welcome to our channel. If you're hiring your first employee and need to set up payroll correctly, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish compliant payroll from the beginning. Step 1. Obtain an employer identification number from the IRS if you don't already have one, as you'll need it for all payroll tax filings and payments. Step 2. Register with your state's tax department for unemployment insurance and, if applicable, state income tax withholding requirements. Step 3. Verify employee eligibility by having each worker complete Form Y-9 and provide required identification documents before their first day. Step 4. Have employees complete Form W-4 to determine federal income tax withholding and state withholding forms, if your state has income tax. Step 5. Choose a payroll system using full-service payroll providers like Gusto, ADP, or Paychex that handle calculations, filings, and payments, or use accounting software with payroll features. Step 6. Calculate gross wages based on hours worked or salary, then withhold federal income tax, Social Security tax at 6.2%, Medicare tax at 1.45%, and applicable state taxes. Step 7. Remit withheld taxes and employer payroll tax contributions on the required schedule, typically semi-weekly or monthly for federal taxes, depending on your deposit schedule. Step 8. File quarterly, Form 941 reporting wages paid and taxes withheld, annual Form 940 for federal unemployment tax, and provide employees with W-2s by January 31st, showing annual wages and withholding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.